I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 254 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions, we read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, will John be on the inaugural sailing of the Festivale? Why didn't Carnival put family harbor rooms on the new ships? Does Carnival carry Guinness anymore? I can't take my floats and my snorkel equipment to Celebration Key anymore? And can I change a name on a booking that's already paid in full?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is booked on the inaugural sailing of the Festivale next May from Southampton to Port Canaveral and wanted to know if John himself would be on the ship, as they would love to meet him. John said yes, he will indeed be there and looks forward to showing everyone the new ship soon. That's pretty cool. We actually have the Festivale booked for next July once it gets stateside. So if anyone else has it booked, let us know in the comments below. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know why Carnival no longer puts the family harbor rooms on the new ships. They enjoyed the family harbor on the Mardi Gras last year and also the Vista this past March. They love the family harbor lounge and having rooms that sleep 5. John said they found that they were getting more requests for connecting cabins for families, so they have added more of these versus the family harbor spaces. I know even some of the ships that are going into dry dock, they're adding connecting rooms because there appears to be such a large demand. So, I mean, it's actually pretty cool. Yes, you can have 5 people in one room, but I don't know, if you spread them out to 2 rooms and they're connected, it's like having one big room with 5 people. Just me. So if you like the family harbor, it will not be on the newer ships coming out. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question 3. This cruiser wants to know, why doesn't Carnival carry Guinness on their ships? John said they used to stock Guinness a few years ago, but it wasn't very popular and the cans would pass its sell-by date, so it was a lot of beer wasted. He said he will share this with his colleagues and see if there's a possibility of it returning. I will say I enjoy Guinness myself, but John is 100% correct because I would get a can, crack it open, the widget wouldn't always pop, and it would taste a little off. You look at the date, it was definitely expired. So I can see why they stopped carrying it, but I mean, if they had it on the ships and it's fresh, I'm drinking it. I do like me some Guinness. Question 4. This cruiser saw that there are now new rules for Carnival's Celebration Key that you can no longer take off pool floaties and snorkel equipment to use in the ocean. John said that is correct. So you gotta wonder, is it a money grab? They're gonna charge you for it? Or were people leaving them on the beach and they're plastic? They're not good for the oceans. So maybe Bahamas, because Carnival does not own this island, contrary to popular belief, it is part of Grand Bahama. So maybe the government put in a rule into effect that you can't bring the plastics there. Who knows? But unfortunately, you can no longer take off your own pool floaties or snorkel equipment to Celebration Key. Last question. This cruiser wants to know if you can change the name on a booking that is already paid in full. John said yes, you absolutely can do it, but there is a charge to do it. So just like the airlines, hotels, everybody else, anytime you have to do anything, they charge you what I think is a ridiculous amount. There shouldn't be anything. You're just changing a name on a booking. But anyway, they all do it. Carnival does it. There is a charge, but yes, you most certainly can do. And that's good to know because we got friends that are cruising and at the last minute somebody backs out or they're jumping on somebody else's cruise. So even if it's paid in full, you can most certainly change a name on the booking. That's been episode 254 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.